What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Man, I'm gonna be doing a video today, and this is a really cool unboxing because we got Apple Earpods. So let's get right into unboxing. So this is the. If you guys don't want to know which one I got the one that you plug in. Not the ones that charge in the case. I got the other ones. I don't want to cut this.
Maybe after you leave, you could help me see if you could try doing the thing online.
Oops, I got it. Okay, got it open, everybody. Took me a while. Dun 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 dun. Oh, okay, this is pretty good. We'll put this aside. Designed by Apple in California. Oh, okay. I guess that fell out. That fell out. I already see the AirPods. That there. Dun, 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 dun. And here's the AirPods. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a little plastic. What is this? What is this, Dad? This thing goes around it?
What?
Oh, it's, yeah. Oh, I know what it is. You have to take it off to be able to open it. Okay, so we got it.
Hey, it's better be a quick video.
Yeah. Oh, oh, they open like that. Pretty clean. Which one's left and which one's right?
You should have it on R, right?
No, I don't think. Oh, it's on. Look, it has the green light right there. I have them all jacked up. Oh. Wrong gear, everybody.
Aren't they too big for you?
No.
They're too big for you.
They're not too big. They're definitely.
Alright, that's on the right side.
I don't know.
Hey, kid, you have something growing out of your ears. Let me see if it's the right one. Yeah, this is the right one.
Okay, we got the charger.
They're too big for his ears. Gotta come out.
Okay, we'll open the charger later. Got the case right here. And we got my mom's phone. So we go to the settings and we go to, let's turn on our Bluetooth. And let's go, you go to Bluetooth? Or on Bruce's iPhone. What is it? Which one is it?
What?
Which one is it?
It's not there. Are they even on? Are they charged? You have to charge stuff. You can't just...
Oh yeah, they have them right here. By the way, they have them right there. Right, left. I don't think they're charged. I don't think they're charged.
Yeah, put them in the case and then charge them.
Oh, look it! Oh, my freaking God! Look what came on! Apple Earpods Connect, baby. They're green, so they. Talk to Siri. Okay. Say hello to Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello Siri, how's the weather today?
Yeah, there's a thing for doing.
How's the weather today?
Hey, come on.
After this thing. To set up.
Why are you not on Siri right now?
Because it tells me I have to. Hey Siri, how's the weather today?
You don't have to do that.
Bruce's AirPods, they're connected. They're connected. It said just make sure that they're set up. We're gonna put something on.
Hey. What you do?
Wait, I'm not hearing anything though. Well, that's gonna be it for today's video. I guess. I'll see you guys next time.